my dear students. Are you happy to attend the online class? Have you completed your homework? Okay. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. We have learned that force in the last year. Yes? A force can be a push or a pull. When a force is exerted on an object, it can change the object's speed, direction of movement, or shape. What would happen if the force is applied away from the center of mass? For example, when force is applied on one side of a brick, the force tends to rotate or turn the body. When force is applied at center of brick, moves the brick in a straight line. How to find the center of mass? The center of mass of an object is the point at which all the mass of the object is centered. If an object is symmetrical, the center of mass is always on an axis of symmetry. For example, equilateral triangle, square, rectangle, cylinder, circle, etc. What is the meaning of torque? Turning effect of force. The turning effect of force is called the moment of force or torque. How a door turns to open when you push it? Do you know? Door has hinges. It works like a fulcrum. Fulcrum means fixed point. We applied a force to open the door. The turning effect of force is called the moment of force or torque. Torque is a tendency of force to produce a rotation. It is the rotational equivalent of force. An object will cause it to rotate around a pivot point or an axis of rotation. The moment of force is the product of force and the shortest distance or perpendicular distance from the pivot to the point of application of the force. So, torque is equal to perpendicular distance between the pivot and the acting point into force applied. Torque is denoted as tau. This symbol is tau. Tau is equal to D into F. What is the formula to find the torque? Tau is equal to D into F or F into D. The SI unit of torque is Newton meter or Nm. Okay, Newton meter. Factors affecting moment of force. First one, the distance of the force from the pivot will affect the turning force. The greater the distance, the more force. From this seesaw, greater distance is 2 meters from the pivot point. So, the seesaw turns anti-clockwise because there is a greater distance from the pivot on the left hand side. Next one is the size of the force will affect the moment. When the larger force applied on the object, the larger would be the torque of the body. From this picture, right hand side 20 Newton and left hand side 15 Newton. So the seesaw turns clockwise because there is a greater force applied to the right hand side. When we apply the force, the door turns on its hinges. So, the turning effect is produced when we try to open the door. With the same torque, pushing close to the pivot, a much larger force is required. When the distance is more, a greater moment of force is obtained for the same force. One man is removing the nut using a spanner. The spanner increases the distance between the fulcrum and the point where force is applied. Now, we can see some more examples of torque. Before we used our hand to tighten a screw. It is difficult to tighten. But when we use the spanner, it is easy to tighten the screw. The distance between the pivoted point and the force gets increased when we use the spanner. Because of increased the distance, the moment of force or torque becomes greater. What is the other name of torque? The moment of force. Some torque we can use our everyday life. When we drive a car, we apply force on the edges of the steering wheel to turn it. This is the example of torque. When we turn a water tap, shows the turning effect of force. Opening the door lock, rotating the water tap, tightening the nail using a screwdriver, opening or closing a doors with hinges, and turn a pencil inside a sharpener. These are some examples of torque or turning effect of force or moment force. What is the meaning of torque? The turning effect of force is called the torque or the moment of force. Good morning, children. How are you? Okay. Today we are studying about force. What is the meaning of force? A push or pull of an object is called force. Okay. When we are applying the force in an object, what will happen? Okay. Listen here. For example, this is a brick. Okay. When we apply the force in the center of the brick, what will happen? How they will be moved? The brick moves through the straight line. Okay. When we apply the force in the center of the brick moves in a straight line. When we apply the force at the end of the objects will be rotate. Okay, because of the force. The force is applied at the end of the object. So the object will be rotate. But when we apply the force at the center of the object will be moves in straight line. Okay, next one is torque. What is the meaning of torque? What is the meaning of torque? Turning effect of force. Okay, turning effect of force. Turning effect of force is called torque. What is the meaning of turning effect? What is the other name of turning effect of force? That is the moment of force. Okay? Moment the turning effect of force is called torque or movement of force. When we push the door or pull the door, it will be rotate. When we opening or closing the door, it will be rotate. When the door will be open, they have hinges. Okay, like hooks, they have hinges. This is the fixed point in the door. Okay, these are the fixed point in the door. These are the hinges. Okay, the hinges will be rotate here and there. Okay, because of turning effect of force. Next, another one example is, listen here. This is the pencil. This is the sharpener. When we sharpen the pencil using the sharpener, pencil will be rotate. Okay, the sharpener is the fulcrum or fixed point. The pencil will be rotate because of the force. Okay, another one is water bottle. The water bottle is a fixed point. When we keep the force here, after this the lid will be rotate. This is the turning effect of force because the lid will be turned. Okay, when we are applying the force, the lid will be turned. So this is the turning effect of force. Do you understand this? Listen children, we can do the problems now. A spanner is used to unscrew a nut. A force of 30 Newton is applied to the end of the spanner, which is 10 cm away from the center of the nut. Calculate the moment of the force when the spanner is horizontal. What is the solution now? We have to find the moment of force. Moment of force means torque. What is the formula for torque? Tau is equal to, what is this the symbol? Tau. Tau is equal to F into D. F is equal to applied force, D is perpendicular distance. Okay. So, F is equal to force. F is equal to 30 Newton. 30 Newton. Here D, distance is equal to, how much distance? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Listen here. What is the SI unit of tau? What is the SI unit of torque? Newton meter. Oh, okay. So we have to change the answer into Newton meter. Here Newton and centimeter. So we have to change centimeter into meter. Okay. How much here? 0.1 meter. Okay. When we change centimeter into meter, 0.1 meter. Now we have to substitute the numbers. Tau is equal to F into D. So 30 into 0.1. How many now? 30.1. 0, 1, 3 is 3, 0, 0. 0, 3, 0. Here after one decimal number, we have to keep the dot here. Okay. So answer is 3 Newton meter. Okay. Tau is equal to F into D. F is equal to 30 Newton. D is equal to 10 centimeter. Centimeter we have to change into meter. Now tau is equal to 30 into 0.1. We have to multiply these numbers. 3 Newton meter. Listen to the second question. The breadth of an iron door is 2.4 meter. If the minimum torque required to open the door is 50 Newton meter, what is the minimum force required to open the door? We have to find the force. Okay. What is the solution now? Is given, torque is given and distance is given. Okay. So torque is equal to how many? 50 Newton meter. And the perpendicular distance. Distance is equal to 2.4 meter. Now we have to find the minimum force. Okay. What is the formula for torque? Tau is equal to F into D. From here we have to find the force. Force is equal to tau divided by d. So chalk divided by distance. Here force is equal to, what is the chalk now? 50 Newton meter. 50 Newton meter divided by 2.4 meter. Okay. Now we have to, what we have to do now? Yes, we have to cut these numbers. Okay. Here 1 2 is 2, 0.2 2s are 4. Here 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 10. 5 2s are 10. Here 25, here divided by 1.2. Okay. 25 divided by 1.2. This denominator is decimal number. So we have to multiply with 10. 10. Okay. Now 250 divided by 12. When we multiply this number, the decimal will be removed, then 12. Okay. We have to divide these numbers. 250 into 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Now we have to subtract this. 5 minus 4, 1, 0. What we have to do? We cannot multiply this number. This is 12, this is small number 10. So we have to write here 0. Keep a dot. Then 1 12 is 12. How many here? 8 12s are 2 8s are 16. 1 balance. 1 8 is 8. 9. 96. We have to subtract these numbers. 10 minus 4. Here 9. Okay. Balance 4. Again, what is the answer now? 2.8. Okay. 2.8 Newton. Listen, torque is equal to 50 Newton meter. Distance equal to 2.4 meter. What is the formula for force? Force is equal to torque divided by distance. So we have to substitute these numbers. Then we will get the answer. Force is equal to 2.8 Newton. Listen the next question. The amount of force to be applied on the spanner at a length of 0.25 meter. This is the length, distance. From the bolt is 400 Newton. This is force. Find the torque to open a bolt. We have to find the torque. What is the formula for torque? Torque is equal to force into distance, or tau is equal to force into distance. Okay. What is the force now? Force is equal to 400 Newton. Force is equal to 400 Newton. Then distance. Distance is equal to 0.25 meter. 25 meter. What we have to do? Torque is equal to F into D. Okay. So we have to substitute these values. 400 into 0.25. We have to multiply these numbers. 400 and 0.25. Okay. Let me multiply now. 0, 0, 4 5s are 20. Again 0, 0 into 2, 0, 4 2s are 8. 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Here after 2 digit numbers we have decimal. Okay. So we have to put the decimal here, dot. Okay. What is the answer now? 100 Newton meter. What is the unit of tau? What is the unit of torque? Newton meter. Torque is equal to F into D. Force 400 Newton. Distance 0.25 meter. Tau is equal to 400 into 0.25. What is the value now? 100 Newton meter. You have to write the problems in your booklet. Okay. Listen. We have two homeworks problems. Third question from page number 54. From page number 54, third and fourth problem. Listen here. Determine the torque on a bolt if you are pulling with a force of 250 Newton directed perpendicular to a range of length 20 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the torque here. What is the formula for torque? Tau is equal to F into D. Force is here 250 Newton. Then length is here. Distance is here 20 centimeter. Distance is in centimeter. So we have to change the centimeter into meter. Okay. So we have to change the centimeter into meter. After we should multiply the force and distance. You will get the answer. Fourth one. The moment of a force of 50 Newton about a point is 5 Newton meter. Find the perpendicular distance force from the point. Okay. Here force is given 50 Newton and torque is given 5 Newton meter. So we have to find perpendicular distance. We should find D. Okay. So what is the formula for tau? Tau is equal to F into D. For distance is equal to tau divided by force. Okay. We have to divide these numbers. We will get the answer. Perpendicular distance. Okay children. And also you have to refer the book. Then you should find some examples of torque when we are using in our everyday life. Okay children, thank you.